Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. Welcome you all to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take an English class for the students of class 5. Our today's topic is WH question number 1 to 10. Let's say class 5 subject English, topic WH question 1 to 10. These questions are from your suggestion of annual examination. Okay, I repeat, these questions are taken from your suggestion of annual examination, question number 1 to 10. Lecture number 19, term annual, teacher Mahmudur Rahman. This is my messenger ID and this is my mobile number. Let's discuss. At first, you have to know that why these questions are called WH questions, because there are some words which begin with W and H, and these are called WH question word. When we make question with these WH question words, then this question is called WH question. Let's see the WH question words. WH question words: who, which, what, when, where, whom, whose, why, and how. So if you look very carefully, then you will see that each of these words begins with either W or H. The first letter of each of the word are either W or H, and in each of these words W and H both are seen. For this reason, these words are called WH words. The first sentence is: the hare saw a tortoise. Look at the underlined portion of the sentence. We have to make question seeing or noticing the underlined portion. The hare saw a tortoise. Here, a tortoise is the object of this sentence. If we find object or subject, we will, as our answer, we will ask question using what. So we will use what. Then we will take do or do verbs as auxiliary verb. Do, does, did. As saw is in past tense, we will take did, what did, then the hare. Now we will use the verb, main verb of the sentence, see. Dear students, look that in the question the verb was saw, but I have written here see, because if we use the do verb as auxiliary verb, the main verb will be always in present tense. The next sentence is: the tortoise was very slow. Look at the underlined portion of the sentence, very slow. This indicates the condition of the tortoise. When we find a condition or situation, we will use how. So how, and when we will use ask question with how, we don't use do verbs, we will take the main verb directly. So how was the tortoise? Number 3, Maria cannot see the beautiful spring day. The underlined word is Maria. Maria is a person. When we want to get any information about a person, we will ask question with who. Who cannot see the beautiful spring day. Number 4, Braille is a script. Look, this is like question number One here, a script is the object of the verb, so we will ask question with what? What is read? Number 5, Laila is very active. This is like question number 2. Here the Laila is very active. The manner, the behavior of Laila is expressed here. So we will ask question with how. How is Laila? And the answer will be Laila is very active. Question number 6, she enjoys reading. I've told you that if we want to know about object or subject of the sentence, we will ask question with what. Here reading is the object of the sentence, so we will question with what. What does she read? Question number 7, she wants to write a book about COVID-19. So this portion of the sentence is also object of the verb, because if we ask the verb with the question what does she want, the answer will be a book about COVID-19. So we will make the question with what. What does she want to write? If I ask question what does she want to write, the answer will be she wants to write a book about COVID-19. The next question, NIEVS has organized online class for us. Here the underlined portion, online class, that means this is the answer. We have to make question based on online class. So online class is the object of the verb, so we will use here what, and then take the auxiliary verb here has what has, then the subject NIEVS. What has NIEVS organized for us? Number 9, people speak English all over the world. The students look at the underlined portion all over the world. It indicates a place. When we give information about a place, we ask question about ask question with where. So where, there is no be verb in this sentence, and be verb or have verb or do verb, so we will take auxiliary verb, do verb as auxiliary verb here. And look that people is a plural noun, so we use here do. Where do people speak English? And number 10, I like painting. Look at the underlined portion. Painting is the object of this sentence, so we will ask question with what. What do I like? So if I ask question what do I like, the answer will be I like, here we will use you, because when I ask question with you, the answer you will answer that I like painting. Okay, so this is the answer of question number 1 to 10. So my dear students, I hope that you have understood today's class very well. For your better understanding, watch this class and then practice more and more at home. If you have any problem or further questions, you can contact me in my phone number. This is my phone number and this is my messenger ID. So see you in the next class. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.